Yep, it's very windy today. Very windy. Oh gosh. My hair is a fashion statement. It is so windy out there. Yeah, well, let's think about it. There's ocean waves, and it just rained last night.
Miss Ma'am, I never agreed to be on vlog this early in the morning looking like trains.
Preach!
Mama, what is happening right now? It She tossed an umbrella. Beck, what you read? Bridgerton? Ooh, I don't know if the camera can catch that because it's so bright. There we go. Didn't we watch the Netflix series already?
Yes, and we still have to finish.
The second.
They leaked the Colin and Penelope season on Instagram.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Yeah. Guardian of the Sand. Poseidon quivers before him! What are you even doing? Andrew, what are you even...
Covering myself in sand. What's it look like?
No, I see that, but why?
Because yes.
Because, yeah, okay. You have a fair point. Uh-oh, did it get water on you?
Yeah, my book.
Uh-oh. Oh boy. What you doing?
We're moving a giant couch.
A giant what? Oh, I'd like to see what it turns out. See, what are you doing with all those buckets? Hey, watch it! So yeah, I completely forgot to record any of what we ate. It was that good, but now it is about to storm, so that's also great.
but we are now having the cousins come over and decide to play some card games and I think maybe watch a movie. I don't know. I think some of the kids are going to just watch movies and other kids are going to play games. I don't know. And I think I look a little pink, but it might get a lot either pink, more pink, or I don't know. But day 1 down and we have 6 more. This is going to be one interesting week and it's going to be all over the place. A lot more all over the place than last time.
Your card.
Okay, ready? So I'm going to pick up one card and then this is also going to be a practice round. You guys get the idea, okay? Yeah. Alright, that moment right before the face plant. So if you guys know what a face plant is, you fall face first onto the ground. And so, out of the 5 pictures you have, choose which one you think will work with this sentence, and then face it face down and spell it. I don't know.
And usually when you don't have a good card,
You just pick the one that you think will work the best. That moment right before the face plant, we have this one. We
Okay.
have the singing Dulces from Jungle Book. Oh gosh, we have Cruella de Vil. We have Naveen pulling his butler out, and then we've got the skull from Finding Nemo. Oh gosh, then we got and oh gosh, oh no. So I have to figure out which one would work with this meme. I think this one. Who had the skull?
that was me. I think that was Will. I actually
And so then after and so then when whoever had the card, so in this case Andrew, he would get both his card and the meme. And the first to 5 win first. Yeah, we'll be first to 5.
Wait, literally.
Thank you. Thank you. I knew that would win automatically.
Okay, whoever put this card should have saved it, man.
Who
should've
had
saved it.
Prince Charming jumping out the window?
You should have saved it, man.
Sissy!
Which movie was that from?
The third one.
Prince Charming jumping out the window.
When you're not sure, you heard that right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, no.
I didn't put my card in the pile.
You didn't?
No.
But that's the one that you want?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Pooh Bear.
Booby bear.
Poopy bear.
Oh my gosh. So out of these, I think let's go with this one.
Yay, that was mine.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, it's too good of a round.
Oh, that is too good of a round. Oh gosh.
Okay, not Tiana, unfortunately. This one just can't happen.
Unfortunately.
No, not Buzz.
No, because he's handsome.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the hottest of them all?
I know, right?
Gaston.
You know.
Tough one, isn't
Not Stinky Pete.
What? You laughed at that one.
I did.
it? Okay,
Hey, if you pick mine, don't let it be because I have a camera out.
Not.
Just pick out of the 3.
Oh man. Literally, I would do all of these.
Which one?
I literally would do all of these.
Pick one. Just pick one.
That's not beautiful.
Well, that's the joke.
I really want to do this one only because she's wailing. Okay, I'm doing this one only.
Who
because
had it?
Where?
Who had it? Kit.
Campbell.
Did we get all our stuff from the beach?
Got it.